kids! I'm Hameem, and guess what? It's story time! Join me as we dive into fun, magical, and exciting tales just for you!
Ali in the Sneezing Tree. Ali was a cheerful boy who loved playing outside. Every afternoon, he'd run to the park near his house with his toy car and snacks. But there was one huge tree in the middle of the park that Ali thought was in the way. It dropped leaves everywhere and blocked the sunlight where he wanted to play. One day, Ali picked up a stick and started poking the tree's trunk. "You messy old thing, stop dropping leaves," he grumbled. Just then, the tree shook its branches and sneezed loudly. Achoo! Ali jumped back, his cap flying off. Did you just sneeze?" he gasped. The tree sniffled. "Well, what do you expect when someone pokes my nose with a stick?" Ali laughed. "Trees don't have noses." "Oh, really?" said the tree, wiggling its branches like eyebrows. "We breathe through our leaves. Now you've made me sneeze all my pollen out." Ali burst out laughing, but also felt a little guilty. "I didn't mean to make you sick." The tree sighed. "Young man, you humans forget that we're alive too. We give you shade, clean air, and fruits. And this is how you thank us? By poking and littering." Ali looked down and noticed the candy wrapper he had dropped earlier. He picked it up quickly. "I'm sorry, Mr. Tree. I'll never do that again." The tree smiled, its leaves rustling softly. Apology accepted. But remember, respecting nature means respecting yourself. After all, we all live on the same earth. From that day, Ali became the park's little protector. He watered plants, stopped others from littering, and even named the tree Mr. Achu. Whenever he came to play, he'd wave and say, "How's your nose today, Mr. Achu?" And every time, the tree would reply with a gentle sneeze and a laugh in the wind. Moral: nature has feelings too. Treat it with love and care, and it will always protect and bless you in return.